Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Stack class with generic collections in Java Collections Framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with Java collections of objects, and this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in collections framework we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections. And under this collection interface we have four popular collections. First one, list collection; second one, set collection; third one, queue collection; and fourth one, map collection. So here list, set, queue are inherited from collection interface, whereas map collection, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So coming to some technical points, Java collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. If we store any primitive data type also, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. And then every data in collections is object itself. To be more precise, it is object class object format, where object class is a super class for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of stack class with generic collections. So stack class is available in java.util package, and stack class is inherited from vector class. Vector is inherited from list interface, and list interface is inherited from collection interface, and collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. Right, so if you see the description of the stack class, java p -p java.util.stack, open the command prompt and issue the command here. So stack is inherited from vector. Right, so coming to some technical points related to the stack class. So first, stack class stores the objects as one-dimensional array in stack format from bottom to top. So bottom to top means one above the another, like a stack, and this approach is called as LIFO approach, last in first out, which means last inserted element is the first to be out of the stack. And here we can perform operations of adding or deleting the objects from the stack only from the top. So that is one above the another, bottom to top collection, and it provides indexes to the collection of objects 0 to size -1, and these objects are from bottom to top. So bottom is 0, above 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And it also provides positions to the elements or objects in a collection, and these positions are counted from the top. So top is 1 and bottom is n size. So default capacity is 10. It is capable of accepting duplicate objects. Here order is preserved, and then it is a subclass of vector class. So vector class is a legacy class. So stack also becomes a legacy class. So class which is clonable, serializable, and its methods are synchronized. So if we see this, we have synchronized methods, so it can be used in multi-threaded applications. Right, so now coming to the constructors and methods. So if we see the description, java p -p java.util.stack, stack e. So e indicates it is a generic parameter. Okay, and generic parameter decides which type of objects need to be stored specifically in a stack. So this is a default constructor with initial capacity of 10, using which we can create an empty stack. So push e, generic object, generic parameter. So it will push the element into the stack from the top. Okay, pop, removing the top element from the stack, and peek means which element is the currently the top element in a stack. So E indicates here it's a generic parameter, so no need to do downcasting. Right, so now coming to generic stack collection. So first of all, generics was introduced in collections in JDK 1.5. So using this feature, we can store collection of objects specifically with respect to the data types. Okay, but internally it will be stored in the form of objects only. So data types, but stores as object only. So if we store integer, it will be, if we store byte, short, int, long, it will be byte object, short object, integer object, and long object, which are wrapper class objects. And it is done with the help of generic data types or parameterized data types. And this generic data type or parameterized data type is given while creating the object of a class using new operator, with using new operator beside the class name using diamond operator. Okay, and by default all collections, classes and interfaces are generic collections only. Right, so in the description of the stack class, so E indicates here generic parameter. So we are going to use generic data type here. Right, so let us try to take one small example for this. So stack diamond operator integer, st is equals to new stack followed by integer. So here less than and greater than symbol is a diamond operator. st dot push 10 integer valid check and store accepted. Push 20 is an integer accepted. Push java string check, it is not an integer, it is not accepted. So for accessing we don't require downcasting. For example, stack dot peak of 0, peak means the topmost element. So topmost element in 10 20, so 10 is added at the bottom, 20 is above the 10, so the topmost element is 20. So access 20 directly without any downcasting. So the main advantages of generic collections is check and store, checked collection, and Typesafe collection. No need to do downcasting whenever we are accessing the objects from the collection. And internally, when it is storing and accessing the data, it will perform, JVM will perform auto boxing and auto unboxing automatically. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Stack class example 4.java. Stack class example 4.java. So take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Program to demo. Stack class with generic collections. Import java.util package. So take the main class with main method and save the program in your working directory. So create an object of stack class with integer as generic parameter using diamond operator, and then push into the elements into the stack. 10, it will come to the bottom, 0 index, and then followed by 20, 1 index, 30, second index, 40, third index, and 50, fourth index. So this is from bottom to top, and position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from top to bottom. So print stack. So when we print stack, anyhow it will print from left to right only, but internally it is bottom to top, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so save this, come to the command prompt, so compile the program. Stack class example 4.java. Right, no error, and then run it. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from bottom to top. Right, so next peak. So peak means the topmost element, so the topmost element is 50. So st.peak, no need to do downcasting integer type, because automatically it will be done as unboxing for us by JVM, and then store that in top and print top. So the topmost element is 50, which is directly comes as integer data, no need to do downcasting, and run. Right, so 50, and then we'll perform pop. So pop means deleting the topmost element. So the topmost element which will be deleted is 50. It will return that element, so no need to do downcasting. Directly store that in int deleted object, print 50, which is a deleted object, and then print the stack 10, 20, 30, 40. Right. So only 4 elements in the stack after pop. Pop means deleting the element from the top. So 50 is deleted. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the topmost element is 40. Right. So now get peak topmost element. No need to do downcasting, and then store that in top and print top. So save this, recompile, and run. So topmost element is 40. So this is how using generic collections. Here we have taken integer. We can also take student object. We can also take employee object. We can also take character object. We can also take boolean or floating or double object. So that is what is check and store, and whenever we are accessing, no need to perform downcasting. That is advantage of generic collection. So that is what is all about stack class in Java collections framework with generic collections. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.